Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind.
What does Lena do every morning?
What is Lena's job? What is Lena's dream?
Now let's listen to the passage.
My name is Lena, and I live in a small town near the sea. Every morning, I walk to the beach to watch the sunrise. It makes me feel calm and happy. I work as a teacher in a primary school. I teach English to children who are between 6 and 10 years old. I enjoy my job because I love helping my students learn new words. In my free time, I like reading books and painting pictures of nature. On weekends, I visit my parents who live in the countryside. Sometimes I go hiking with my friends. My dream is to travel to Japan one day because I am interested in Japanese culture and food.
What does Lena do every morning?
Lena walks to the beach to watch the sunrise. What is Lena's job? Lena is a teacher. What is Lena's dream?
Lena's dream is to travel to Japan.
Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. How old are Lena's students? What are Lena's hobbies? How old are Lena's students? They are between 6 and 10 years old. What are Lena's hobbies?
Reading books and painting pictures of nature.